Yeah, first of all, I don't think what she said is seditious. I'll be very upfront about it. Calling Zindabad about any which country, Pakistan is not a declared enemy country or anything. So any which country it says, it is not a seditious comment, and there has been sufficient number of judgments on that. So I don't believe it is seditious. And second is, you have to understand, this is a people's movement, and people have a lot of opinion, and those opinions are bound to come out. The way we deal with it, the opinions which are not so palatable to us, it is okay, it is offending to us, we feel that it should not have been said, that is okay. We feel it should not have been said is okay, but whether she should be put in jail for sedition for it is a different question. And this is through these protests also, is ultimately the questions of freedom of expressions are also being to be asked and answered. I generally don't share the feeling that she had, but I think she had a right to tell what she had, and it is not a sedition per se. It is not, I don't consider it as an act of sedition. Whether she could have avoided saying that, yes, I think she could have avoided saying that. That doesn't make her wrong. That doesn't make her enemy of the country. That only makes her a person with a different point of view than you and me. Movement, it is not organizers' protest, first of all. This is a protest of the youth, and lot of opinions have come in. Sedition was also filed against school and the kids and the parents there and the teachers there for having an anti-Modi protest, thing. So what did they do? They just said something against the Prime Minister in power, which is very natural thing, which is we used to say in a lot of things very commonly. So it is not the freedom of expression part that needs to be asked. The question that we need to ask is that how and easily we are putting these sedition charges. The movement is of the youth, and it will continue to be of the youth. The youth that we are seeing now, today, who are leading in many ways. Right now you may feel they are inexperienced, they are not very thoughtful, but it is important they come out and share their views, because they are going to lead us in the next generation. And so it's just like the anti-emergency protest. The people who protested them were predominantly youth. Many of them would have said many views which were not acceptable to us, but later they are the people who are running this country, who are leading the country. These are discussions and conversations through which we learn, and I'm sure we will learn further, and it's a learning for her also, it's a learning for us also, for all of us.